In this tutorial we will dive into the TFL settings in Logistifie Dispatch Software. We'll cover the TFL report summary, lodging a complaint, lost property, and the London TFL Weekly Report. Let's get started. First, let's explore the TFL report summary. Click on TFL and select TFL report summary. Choose the specific date you wish to search for and decide between covered by own company or covered by subcontractor. You can also set a date range by selecting the starting and ending dates in the from and to fields. From here, you have the option to export as a CSV, print the entire period, or download the entire period. If you've made a mistake, simply press Reset. Next, let's look at lodging a complaint against a driver. Click TFL and select Complaints. Click Add New button. Enter the reference number and all necessary details, including the complaint details, driver dismissal form, investigation details, investigation outcome, company representative name, and signature. Once you've filled in all the information, click Submit. The complaint will appear on the complaint dashboard, where you can view, edit, or delete it if needed. Now, let's move on to the Lost Property section. Click TFL and select Lost Property. Here, you can click Add New to enter the details of the lost property, then click Submit. Lastly, let's explore the London TFL Weekly Report. Click on TFL and select London TFL Weekly Report. Under the Driver and Vehicles option, you can check the driver configuration or the vehicle configuration. Under the Drivers option, you can check driver configurations, and under the Vehicles option, you can check vehicle configurations. In all these sections, you can customize your search using the from and to columns. There's also an option to export as a CSV. And that's it for exploring the TFL settings in Logistifie Dispatch Software. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you next time.